Top 15 Beginner Woodworking Tools. Number 1. Skill Circular Saw. For the more experienced user. Circular saw with advanced features. Motor has the power and performance. Sheet goods for a room. Gives a variety of cut options. Number 2. DeWalt Portable Band Saw. Style: band saw. Saw kit features a powerful integrated hanging hook. Ergonomic grip options. Number 3. Genesis GMS 1015 LC Compound Miter Saw. Compound miter saw with laser features. Make Genesis power tools. The included 60-tooth blade. Great for finish carpentry cuts. Electric brake stops the blade. Number 4. Skill Orbital Action Laser Jigsaw. Powerful 6.0 amp motor. Built-in laser guide. 4-position orbital cut control. Fast or smooth cuts. Variable speed trigger adjusts. Number 5. Skill Wet Tile Saw. Corrosive resistant stainless steel. Adjustable rip fence. Accurate straight and miter cuts. Blade cooling water reservoir. Cut material: stone masonry. Number 6. Craftsman Hand Saw. Exclusive tooth geometry. Fast clean cut. Induction hardened teeth. Long-lasting sharpness. Material handle for comfort. Number 7. Skill 5 Random Orbital Sander. Powerful, with a 2.8 amp motor. It's able to deliver grit type, medium. Easy to clean dust container. Variable speed control provides. Number 8. Black Decker Impact Driver Kit. High performance transmission delivers. Compact and lightweight for ease. Maximum initial battery voltage. Power source: battery powered. Style: drill, driver. Number 9. Steelhead Wood Handle Rubber Mallet. Double-faced mallet set. Strike soft woods, metals and other delicate materials. Just the right amount of force. Number 10. Skill Electric Corded Planer. The smooth kickstand prevents scratching finished surfaces. The wrench storage keeps wrench placed during projects. Number 11. Great Neck 12-inch miter box. Handle material plastic. Lifetime warranty. Manufacturer: Great Neck. Material: steel. Blade edge: serrated. Number 12. Irwin Tools Pro Touch Coping Saw. Most materials with ease. High-speed steel coping saw. A flat bar frame and Durasteel. This coping saw has an ergonomic. This coping saw provide durable use. Number 13. Von Haus Woodworking with Chisel Set. Heat treated, heat treated. Chrome vanadium steel alloy. Ergonomically designed handles. Improved comfort and control. Plastic storage case. Number 14. Mr. Pinwheel Marking Gauge. One-wheel marking gauge. Wheel marking gauge. Adjustments faster and easier. Stage adjustments body easy. Wood needs to be cut. Number 15. Hook Hyper Carving Rotary Tool. Type: abrasive block. DIY supplies: woodworking. Color: as shown. Should only be used especially for convex